In Malacanang, Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valdez says President Aquino is ready to defend the government's position on the BBL. That is, if a dialogue pushes through between the President and the members of the upper chamber on the issue. Rocky Ignacio reports.
President Aquino is give clarity on the government's position in pursuing the passage of the Bangsamoro Basic Law. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson said this if a dialogue between the President and some BBL would push through.
We're optimistic that the President can put forth the position of government when it comes to the BBL.
The President earlier said that the executive respects the independence of the Senate on the issue and prefers for the advice of Senate President Franklin Drilon if a meeting with the senators is needed. Valdez said this after 11 senators have signed the committee report saying that there should be a substantial changes or revisions in the BBL.
We are not alien to challenges, especially to the process that we have been undergoing for the BBL. And as the President said, he's waiting for word should it be required that he meet with the senators to flesh out positions when it comes to the BBL. You know, we've always said that we recognize the independence of both houses of Congress and that, of course, they can propose amendments to legislation, that we work with them, So at this point, we look forward to the opportunity, really, to continually discuss the administration's position on the BBL with the senators.
Malacanang also suggested link the process of votation on BBL in Congress to pork barrel scam. Some are questioning the timing of the Department of Justice announcement for the filing of charges against the third batch allegedly involved in the misuse of PDAF.
Hindi po yan nasa style administrasyon. Siguro po coincidental lang. And after the Department of Justice has been readying the third batch of cases for quite some time now. At ang utos naman po lagi sa kanila ng Pangulo ay kung ano humang kaso yung i-file nyo ay siguraduhin yung tatayo at hindi naman ho pwedeng final lang para sa PR. I would not, at least from our point of view, we would not put any malice as to the timing. And especially remember that people have already been asking the Department of Justice to get on with the filing.
Walter reiterated maintains to preserve the provisions under autonomy in the Constitution in the implementation of the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro between the government and the MILF.
We want the essence of autonomy preserved. We feel that it is a viable vehicle to achieve just and lasting peace in Mindanao. And we are strongly supportive of measures that would, or at least pillars, that would keep the spirit of autonomy in that particular piece of legislation. Whether it's a substantial is a setback, we would have to gauge what that particular concept or provision would be.
The People's Rocky Ignacio.